He cleared his throat as he hadn't spoken in a while. So, this here painting was putting me in mind of the story of Leda, I believe. Leda and the Swan. And Leda was like a Greek maiden, and Zeus, who was like the god king of the gods, was lustful for her bones. And, but he was gonna get in trouble with his wife Hera, who was also a goddess, goddess, if she found out. So he turned himself into a swan and then went and raped her, is the way this story is written. But it's like, it feels like the translation, both from language and culture over the span of 2,000 years, is provocative but not certain. But then it's also like, wait a second. Hey, let's investigate this matter. Get a little in close. So what exactly is a cloaca? Can you see a cloaca in there? I don't know. Let's check over here. The cloaca is one of nature's... Ooh, is that the cloaca? Perhaps that's the cloaca. One of nature's most mysterious and sought-after objects. Is that the cloaca? Just looks like a deep pit. Ooh, is that the cloaca? Dude, that kind of looks like a dick vagina. Interesting. So maybe we learned a little bit about cloacas tonight, everyone. Children, this has been another great wildlife adventure story. Discovery Education Day.